Hi viewers, today I'll be solving this sum from 11th standard math Samachir syllabus. Example 4.24. Prove that 2n the whole factorial divided by n factorial equals to 2 power n the product of 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1. So in the question they have given 2n the whole factorial. Some of you might write it has 2 into n factorial. 2 into n factorial is different from 2n factorial. So 2n the whole factorial is actually you start from 1, 2, 3 up to 2n minus 1 and 2n. So first we will see the expansion of 2n factorial. So it is 2n the whole factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 up to 2n. Now first we will just do 2n the whole factorial. We will simplify it and then we will divide it by n factorial. So first see, look at the right hand side. In the question you have 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1. So all these terms are only odd terms. So 2 into anything is actually even and 2n is even. The number before that is 2n minus 1. So that is odd. So in the product 2 power n, 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1, you have only odd terms. So what you should do from 2n the whole factorial, you have to separate odd terms and even terms. So here odd terms will be 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1. And the even terms are going to be 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n minus 2 into 2n. Now the first part is the right hand side, okay? And so the next one is 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n. This one only you have to get it as 2 power n. And then, so we'll see what we can do about that. So the product is 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n. You have 2 n times. So you are removing 2 n times. So it is going to be 2 power n. So see, you get 2 power n into 1 into 2 into 3 up to n minus 1 into n. So what is this term 1 into 2 into 3 up to n is n factorial. So you can write it as 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 into 2 power n into n factorial. This whole expansion is only for 2n the whole factorial. Our question was 2n the whole factorial divided by n factorial. So now when you divide it, what you are going to get is you are going to cancel both the n factorial in the numerator and the denominator. So your final answer is going to be 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 into 2n. So remember carefully, all you are going to do in this sum is just separate both the odd terms and even terms and then take out the 2's and then you're going to write it as n factorial and then divide it and get the final answer. Hope you all understood this. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.